Welcome to Doctor's Financial. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, my name is Dr. B. It's early Saturday morning. I'm about to head out, get me a quick workout. Got my cup of coffee to get me going. Need this caffeine, give me some of that energy to get me through this workout. And I just want to stop by really quick to talk about planning. How important it is to have a plan. If you've been rocking with me for a while, you know about the new investor stock commandments. This is rule number 6. Now, planning is important because it lets you know when to get in, but even more importantly, at times, it lets you know when to get out of an investment, more specifically, your trades. Now, we've heard the term, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Let's say that again. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. I've also heard it said the opposite way. If you plan to fail if you fail to plan. So no matter which way you heard it, it all means the same thing. Having a plan, if you don't have one, then you're just setting yourself up to lose. One of the main reasons that casinos always win is because they know most people who come in to gamble, they don't have a plan. At the most, their plan may be, I'm coming in, I got this $1,000. Once this $1,000 gone, that's it. Or whatever your limit allows you to, it may be 100. When I come in, once I lose this 100, I'm done. So even if you come in with 100, you come in with 1,000, you go up 100, 200, 300%. Now your 1,000 is 3,000. You're not leaving because your plan was, I'm not leaving until I lose this 1,000. So you wind up giving the casino their money back plus 1,000 you came with. Or if you are smart enough to leave that day, you'll be back again, and they understand that. That's why they make sure you have a good time while you're there, give you the free drinks, have the lights, have everyone walking by, asking you how you're doing, making you feel nice and comfortable to make sure that you come back in order to lose. We don't want to treat our trades, and especially our investments, the same way we treat gambling in the casino. So please understand that. Know when to get in, but really also know when to get out in order to make money, because we're in this to build wealth. Another thing, make sure you're not treating your trades and investments in the same manner when you're doing your plan. Understand that your trades, you want to set a plan for how much downside loss you're willing to risk on this trade, how much you want to make on this trade, and you got to have a plan for that and stick to it. Whether the amount you make is a percentage, meaning 30, 40, 50, 60, 100%, and set a realistic plan also. Don't just buy something and say, well, my plan is to make 15,000% on this trade. I mean, make sure that your plan is realistic. But when you set the plan, make sure you have it in place to know when you're going to be getting out based on either a percentage or a dollar amount. Once I get to X amount of dollars, I'm out. No matter what it does after that, I'm okay with. Once I get to X amount percent, I'm out, and no matter what it does, I'm okay with, because this is a trade. I understand I'm going to be in and then be out. Now, if it's an investment, understand I understand if it goes down, I'm going to be buying more, because this is something I did my due diligence on, and this is a long-term investment. Understand this is going to be doing well going into the future. And when I say long-term, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. So don't treat your trades and your investments in the same manner. Definitely understand how to separate the two so that you're not caught in limbo about what to do when things run up or when things fall back. You already have your plan in place. You're already being strategic with your money and with what you're doing with your money. All right, family, I'm going to be finishing up on this video. If you get anything from the videos, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Most of all, share with others. I'll be dropping another video later on today about some of the stocks I'm going to be looking at going into next week. But I really want to let the family know about planning, because there's a couple big events coming up this weekend, and understand what you're going to be doing after you make your money. Now, once you make the money, what are you going to do with the profits? What's your next investment, or what's the next trade? What are you going to be doing with the money? Where are you going to park your money? Are you going to just park it in the bank? Will you be parking it inside of a industry leader such as Apple or AT&T, where it can just get some dividends while you wait on your next play? Under all of these things you have to plan for, all of these things you have to sit down and strategically account for. But I know a lot of you all are going to be making some money this weekend. We already know what's going on. I don't need to even talk about that. And I'm rooting for you all. I hope to see you all make a whole bunch of money. I hope Dogecoin gets to $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. I just hope it runs up and you all really get some money. But once you do get out and you make your profits, understand what's going to be next. What's the next plan? What's the next move? What's the next play? Okay, family. I'll thank you all for rocking with me. I'm going to go head out, get this workout, and I'll be back later on dropping another video with some of the companies that I'll be looking at going into next week. All right, you guys, be blessed. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Well, you'll see me on the next video. All righty, take care.